Hola amigos and namaste from Mumbai, Maharashtra. This is the quick review of Hotel Satkar Residency at Thane in Mumbai. This is one of the oldest and well-known luxury hotels in that area. So, room number 1002, and this feels like a wall, but actually, their basic level room looks like this. Has a restroom over there, and here is the room. A very comfortable bed, and place to store your luggages. A table, chair, another chair, and a view of the Cadbury Junction, Raymond's building, and this is the room. Coming to the restroom, it has the usuals. They give you all those dental kits, towels. It is neat, clean, and restroom and shower. Where is the shower? Okay, no shower. Oh, hand shower. Ayyo. And they even give bathrobes. Nice. So that's it from the restroom. The cupboard, huge cupboard, and the welcome amenities: fruits, water bottle, and cookies. Nice. Good night. Good morning. Went to the restaurant to have some breakfast, but they said just call us and say what do you need, and it will come to your room in 10 minutes. And it's here in 20 minutes. Let's see how it is. Aloo paratha, dokla, sauce, dahi, coffee. Should be omelette. The two major amenities at these properties are, unfortunately, the swimming pool is under a renovation, and we do have a gym over here, and it is a basic gym with all those basic equipments. Thane Satkar Residency is one of the well-known business hotels in this area near the Cadbury Junction, and they really had a very good service, and that is why they are here for a lot of years with their name. They had a lot of events going on here, yet the service was very good. Do keep this hotel in your radar if you're visiting Thane for business or some other reason next time. So we'll be back with another video soon. Until then, stay safe, cheers and bye bye. Nandri, vanakkam.